Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Chrome with YouTube open. Make sure you're signed into the profile you want to change. First, open Chrome, / extensions to see installed add-ons, and then open YouTube in a new tab. Once done, check Chrome's version via settings about so extensions behave predictably. You'll need developer mode if you plan to add a custom extension. Otherwise, prepare to install a reputable Hide Shorts extension from the Chrome Web Store. Let's move to the install and configuration steps now. You'll find extensions by searching the Chrome Web Store for Hide or Remove Shorts. Pick one with clear ratings and recent updates. After installing, pin the extension so you can access it quickly. Next, open the extension's options and set it to hide Shorts thumbnails, remove the Shorts shelf, and block /Shorts URLs. These settings explain why you'll stop seeing Shorts. Make sure the extension only has access to YouTube. Once configured, refresh YouTube and check that Shorts no longer appear. You must verify changes by refreshing YouTube and navigating a few pages. If Shorts persist, clear the browser cache and reload. Make sure no other extensions conflict by temporarily disabling them. Conflicts often reintroduce UI elements. If the chosen add-on fails, use uBlock Origin with a custom filter to block URLs containing /Shorts and hide the Shorts shelf selector. This is a robust fallback because it directly prevents those requests. Finally, if updates break the fix, check the extension's homepage or reinstall a maintained alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.